Guys, if you're looking for typing job as a beginner, most times you'll be hearing about websites like Daily Transcription, Scribby, Rev.com, and these places are saturated. Like, before you get opportunity to work on these places, you have to on these places. It is not really going to be that easy. However, there are other companies that are offering transcription jobs to people that are willing to come on board to join them. But the problem is most of these places are not popular, like they are not really known. And in some cases, you will not really get to know that this is what they do until you do your in-depth research. And you don't need to worry, you guys know me. I always do everything and bring it to you. So I have 5 companies like that have openings for transcriptionists or people that are into typing jobs to come on board and do the typing jobs they have there available in their company. As long as you are ready, you have your internet source, and of course you have a laptop to do this typing job, then you're good to go. So the first company I want to talk about is one that is into end-to-end solutions to help businesses meet the right people to patronize or buy from the service or the products they have. Now, this platform has varieties of jobs, including in-house job and freelance jobs, and depending on whatever you're interested in, be it translation, transcription, data annotation, a lot of things. And if you check on the website, you also see transcribers, like they need transcribers on this platform. So coming to the website, you can see that they have transcribers here, and they have graders, translators, a lot of other things here. Like I mentioned, they also have in-house jobs, as you can see here. This one is freelance, this one is evaluation, and it's remote. And if you want to check more about the in-house jobs they have, you click here, you're going to see all jobs. Now from here, if you are interested in data annotation or translation or any of those jobs, you will see them available here. So the ones they have here are the ones that are available at the moment, and this one is remote. If you click on it, it's going to refresh and show you the remote jobs they have available at the moment. So at the moment, they have annotation, data collection, and translation job. And this data collection can fall into typing jobs because you need to be imputing the data you're going to be collecting. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. They're going to pay for this one $10 to $13, and they're going to show you the ones that are worldwide, the ones that are remote, and the date for all these ones. So you might want to check out this website. If you want to apply, click where it says apply for job. You have to log in with your email address and create an account with them. The name of the website is OneFormer. Now the next website is for virtual assistants, and if you're into virtual assistant work, you will agree with me with that. Transcription, translation, all those clerical duties are part of the job description of a virtual assistant. Now whereas this company is specialized in employing virtual assistants, what they basically do is they gather pool of virtual assistants that they assign to their clients. Their clients are not going to be working with the virtual assistants in terms of negotiation and all those stuff. They will be the one to handle it. But the virtual assistants, their role is just to do the jobs that they are going to be given. And the payment on this platform is not really fixed because they have different plans for different clients depending on the one any of these clients signs up to and the one that you get to do as the person doing the job. So if you come to the website, you're going to see these notes. They talk about their work culture and everything about their website. So if you're going to be signing up with them, you have to fill out this information. And down here you can see transcription here. So if you're interested in doing transcription or even data entry, these are typing jobs. You can just tick these boxes here when you fill this form to show them that these are the jobs you are interested in. So if you're interested, the name of the website is Task Bullet. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section like I used to. So when you see any of them, just type seen so that I know you have seen it. So moving on, the next website is one that is known to be into this type of things like captioning, audio transcription, subtitling, and AI dubbing. Like they are into AI labeling and stuff like that as well. If you come on their website, you can see that they have all these things stated here, and these are the brands they work with. And if you're interested to work in any of these roles as maybe a transcriptionist, you can come here where it says job, you click on it, and then you're going to see full-time career. That is if you intend to work for them, you have a skill they may be looking for, you can click on this one. But for the purpose of this video, we're talking about transcription. So this place where it says freelance transcription jobs, you click on it, then you can see the ones that are available. So at the moment they have English transcription job. So if you're interested in English transcription job, see the requirements here. You can see that you're expected to be 18 years old. You have to have good communication skills, of course, and of course you have to be able to do internet research and stuff like this. So if you're interested, you can click here to apply. You can see that they have other instructions for you to follow, including their recommendation for you to use a laptop or a computer to make this application, and that you should complete the application at one sitting. And once you finish with everything, they're going to send you an email to tell you the status of your application. That is if you're going to be working with them or not. So you have to bear all these things in mind. So moving on, the next website we're going to talk about is one that is also involved in data annotation, image labeling for AI and stuff like that. Now they're also involved in transcription jobs, especially when it comes to training AI. But before we continue on this website, please take a time out to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We really appreciate you all for your support. So here is what the website looks like. As you can see, you can find jobs like labeling images and transcribing audio, and then you have to earn money by completing these simple tasks. And it's as easy as that. They're going to also train you. They have a free hands-on training, as you can see here, that you can do. So you have to work on tasks that you have unlocked, and you have to get paid via PayPal or ATM based on the quality of the work and the number of tasks you completed. So if you're interested, you can see that you are allowed to work from anywhere and at any time. You can click here where it says start earning today. Then you're going to fill out this information to get started with application process. Now it is important for me to mention here that this website is also going to be offering online courses, but you have to be on the lookout to know if they're going to be asking you to pay some money or not, so that you have that in mind. So moving on, the last website we have for today's video is into AI training, things like data annotation, image labeling and all those kind of stuff. So they need transcribers, people that are going to be transcribing from one language to another to help train AI. So if you come to the website, this is what the website looks like, and here are some benefits you stand to gain by working with them here. You can see they have flexible vacation, healthcare, parental leave, family vacation, and drinks and all this stuff. And this is usually for people that are going to be working with them in-house. However, they have some open positions here, and if you're interested in any of these jobs or you want to check for more jobs, you click here where it says all jobs. Now you're going to see that there is a map here, and I'm going to show you a trick to be able to find the job that will suit you based on your location. So if you come to this place where there is this map, you're going to come here where there is this plus icon to zoom in. If you're going to be looking for a job in, let's say, in South Africa or in any of these locations, you can go down depending on your location. Let's use South Africa as an example. So you see that it has refreshed this to give me jobs that are available in South Africa, like this one that says Zulu transcribers. As you can see, there is South Africa here, and it is fully remote. And if you're interested, if you're in South Africa, you can click here where it says Zulu transcribers, and then you can apply for this job here by filling out this information. And on the platform, they say they usually respond within a week. So if you make your application, you can expect to get a response within a week. So if you're from Nigeria, United States, UK, wherever, just look for your country on that map. You will definitely see a job that is available in your country. If you know the language, you can now take up the job by applying, and hopefully within a week you get a response from them. So if you're looking for a way to get job fast using ChatGPT, you might want to check out this video. Or if you're looking for other remote work from home jobs, so we have to check out all these videos. Don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We are grateful to all of you for your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.